What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, Coinbase absolutely exploded and has been moving, right? It wasn't just this last 24 hours, but we did see a large move in this last 24 hours. But things have been moving up for Coinbase for a while now, right? And I wanted to go through what has happened as we look through the last maybe 14 days, 20 days or so, and how this has transpired, how it's got up to this price point. And I did talk about this before and talk about how Coinbase has been moving. I just haven't been talking about stocks as much. But here I am talking about a position that has moved quite a bit. So before we get into this video, guys, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about maybe some of the links that are in the description. It does help out the channel's growth. But if you've been living under a rock, if you haven't seen what has happened within the crypto space, right? The reason why Coinbase has run is because of, two things. One, XRP or Ripple won their case labeling XRP as not a security. That's huge news because XRP being labeled not a security puts Coinbase, while it's in this lawsuit, in a good spot to have some case law, to have an understanding how they came to that conclusion, right? So it's huge. And two, you can now relist XRP to make it look like you are, following the rules just like you were when you delisted it. So it's a big deal for XRP holders, a big deal for coin stock holders, right? For Coinbase stock holders. It's a good thing for people that trade on Coinbase. It's just great overall for the crypto market, for this position, and everything else. Really, let's not look at that. Now, we're seeing things that are kind of seeing a little bit of retracement from these high points that we saw yesterday. I wanted to make this video yesterday, but I just didn't have time. I was golfing yesterday, and I saw all this news as I was on the golf course, or right when I got off the golf course. And I was like, I want to get home to make a video right now. I was an hour away. So it was going to take me a while to get home. Now, I did live stream as I just wanted to talk about what was happening. If anybody knew what was happening, I wanted to, talk about that. So I live streamed on the way home, obviously paying attention to the road. But it was great to be able to have those conversations and just talk about what I saw, what I read. But anyways, that's the tea. That's what happened with Coinbase and why it has seen a little bit of a significant increase within the last 24 hours. But I wanted to kind of take you through what happened to Coinbase today and, what happened to Coinbase yesterday. So, and then also, some more history behind where Coinbase was. It sounds like I'm saying Cornbase. But anyways, let's go into this position. Let me go back here because it doesn't really link well with Streamlabs. Here we go. You see Coinbase that's on the screen at this point. This was yesterday's activity. So it was flat all the way until about 12 o'clock. Once 12 o'clock came along, we saw things that really started to pick up. Or I guess 11 o'clock, 11:30. It started to pick up, really pushed above the 200 EMA and really started to climb. No signs of retracement at all. And it got to a level of $110 and retraced a little bit, but started to level out. And you can see this within the after hours market. It stayed steady, right? It didn't just collapse like you see with some other positions. Because this is big news, right? Coinbase can now relist XRP. It now has a strong fighting chance for their case. Sorry, my throat is like tickling at this point. I don't think I'm going to create another video. I was going to create another video, but I don't think I'll be able to. But it has a fighting chance. It did decrease a little bit as you get into like the pre-market, right? And you could see it kind of level out at some of these areas, some of these levels. Now it did increase all the way to $114 multiple times during the day. It opened up at 106, increased all the way up to $114, hit that high probably 3 times before resisting pretty hard. And now you're seeing it down about 2% over where it closed, where again, previous close was 107. And the open price was 106. So it is lower than the open price, lower than the previous price. And we still see 32 million shares worth of volume, which is fantastic, right? Absolutely fantastic. I have to take a second because, again, my throat for some reason. But it didn't just start here. It didn't just start yesterday. The reason why we are seeing Coinbase pick up is cryptocurrency is definitely looking like it's starting to come back, right? You can see here that it really started, as you saw this at a level of $50 or so. It really started back here. These are days. This is not months that we're looking at. These are days that has been climbing from $50 all the way up to, again, a high of 114, almost 115. So it's been moving for days, and people have been anticipating that crypto will find a way to pick up, and it's showing that. While everything else has really not been increasing, I mean, with the exception of like Meta, Coinbase has been consistently increasing, been consistently seeing the gains that we all want to see, and consistently seeing the volume. Remember, this stock opened up at like, I believe 350, between 350 and like 400, somewhere around there, right? I ended up purchasing it and made money off of it right from the beginning, but now it's showing that it's only worth $100, or before it was showing it was only worth $50. And seeing that something is only worth $50 when it had an IPO price of over $300, closer to $400, that's a big deal. It shows where the potential is. It shows where people believe in it at. It shows how much you can gain from that overall position. So this overall was a great play. I feel like I have to sneeze, and I'm not gonna let it come out. But yeah, this was an overall great play. If you decided to get into it, let me know if you got into it, if you made a move into this yesterday, or if you made a move back maybe on the 22nd. Or maybe looking at this on the 14th. These are days that we're looking at. Again, this is not like weeks or anything. These are single days that we're seeing of this position. And you can see what happened yesterday and how it has climbed. Really pushed from here a low of about $80 and a high of, again, $100 plus, $107. So again, let me know what you're thinking about coin. I would add more to it. I want to add more analysis to it, but I feel like I can't talk much. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the other links that may be in the description that can help out either of my channels, any of my channels actually. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Yeah.